The purpose of the EADA Executive Doctorate in Business Administration in partnership with the CNAM Paris is to equip experienced business professionals with advanced practical scientific competencies that enhance their managerial and leadership skills. This program provides participants with the skills, knowledge, and research capabilities needed to excel in their career, contribute to the academic community, and make a meaningful impact on the business world through evidence-based decision-making and innovative solutions. The EADA Executive Doctorate in Business Administration, in partnership with the CNAM Paris, can significantly enhance career prospects, opening doors to senior executives and consulting roles, academic positions, or entrepreneurial ventures, and most particularly because the EADA DBA is designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice, training executives with the knowledge and scientific research skills necessary to solve complex business problems and make informed decisions. It cultivates the ability to conduct in-depth evidence-based research, enabling executives to contribute to the advancements of knowledge in their specific areas of interest within the field of business, while also contributing to scientific knowledge. Participants learn to apply cutting-edge intervention and action research in their innovative practices to drive organizational growth, performance improvement, and sustainable innovation. In practicing intervention and action research for solving real problems, they apply their research findings to practical situations, making a tangible impact on their organization and industries. The EADA Executive DBA, in partnership with the CNAM, sharpens leadership and strategic thinking abilities, empowering graduates to lead effectively in complex, dynamic, and competitive business environments. The DBA, in partnership with the CNAM, facilitates networking and collaboration among diverse groups of seasoned professionals, fostering the exchange of ideas and experiences that enrich each participant's knowledge and perspective. It instills a commitment to lifelong learning and critical thinking, enabling participants to adapt to evolving business challenges and their opportunities. Come and join us for this one-of-a-lifetime experience that will provide you with the edge you are looking for to make an impactful difference in business.